Well, hello, y'all. How are y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so I know I'm getting these up kind of late, but I'm getting them up nonetheless. So we're about to look at the full spoilers for the Ipsy GlamBag Plus October bag. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my October BoxyCharm box variations. Congratulations, Allie's son. Allie says, yay, finally first. So excited. Love you, Mandy. Well, I'm so happy you got first, Allie, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into these spoilers. Now there are so many, just too many for me to sit here and name off, so I'm just putting them up on the screen. I just want y'all to see all the options that you might be getting in your bag, and a lot of people already know because they already go on their accounts and look at what they're getting. So comment below what you're getting in your Ipsy Plus bag or your Ipsy standard bag or the ultimate, don't matter. Now if you want to see the spoilers to the standard Ipsy or the Ipsy ultimate, I'm going to have those linked below. I'm going to go ahead and get this video out before the ultimate spoilers, but just keep your eyes open because it'll be down there soon after, y'all. And now all of them's coming with bags, and I should have already showed you the bag when I first started talking about the spoilers. This has got that cute little black bag with a little devil on it and a little heart-shaped devil tail. I like that. I really do like that bag. Now, Ipsy Standard is getting a one with Betty Boop's face. And you know there's Betty Boop makeup. That Ipsy is collab with Betty Boop for October. So we're getting a bunch of Betty Boop stuff in the Betty Boop bag. And I really do like it. I love Betty Boop. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. Now I'm going to get busy and start working on these other spoilers, y'all. But as soon as Ipsy reveals any November spoilers, I will update you guys. Now I already got a bag for November. I think it's either the Plus or the Ultimate bag, but I'll link that below if you want to go check out the bag for November. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Courtney Sowell. Don't you come after me, Courtney. You know I can't pronounce nothing. Anyways, Courtney says, heart your spoilers. For y'all that don't understand, that means love your spoilers. Well, I really appreciate it, Courtney, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, if you want that shout out, you got to leave a comment under this video. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would, double check that. Make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? Just tell me that in the comments. Because it's 100% free. And it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video. But you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And guys, there's one more tiny thing before you head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. You don't miss no more of my videos. You'll be on top of everything. Well, except for me getting them up late like today. Sorry about that. But that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.